Hello Jacksons, welcome back to my channel, and I'm bringing you this particular video, the first Saturday night party on the Big Brother Naija 2023 All-Star season as it is hot. And of course, the week has been a roller coaster of crazy, and we're expecting it to which rounded up today. It will start a new week tomorrow with the live evictions. But of course, a lot happened in the night party, which I'm going to unload on you right now, because in the first video I just did. And of course, in this particular video, I'll talk to you about the kiss between Uriel and Neo. I'll talk to you about the plan of Eke and Tolani to get other housemates evicted, but they don't know that they're planting a bomb for themselves. And then finally, Meecy Eke snatched her man Eke from Tolani. So of course, if you're new to this channel, understand and make sure to watch this video till the end. Subscribe, click on the bell button beside for notification in every post I make. Give this video a thumbs up and also share your comments down below so that we can engage and get this community going. And oh my god, so of course, Eke and Tolani are planning something that I only call them digging a pit for themselves, thinking it's for others. So remember that during the week they've been giving money points and money coins, and then they've been giving gold coins, right? And if I'm not mistaken, Big Brother said that they cannot be stolen, they cannot be transferred throughout the season, except I'm mistaken that the gold coins is what falls under the rules, and then the money points or money coins can be stolen and stuff. And it seems like Tolani had helped some other housemates to keep their coins in her locker, or maybe they shared 3 in 1 lockers, right? 1 door but 3 lockers are there, and each of the housemates who are in that particular locker have their keys. So of course, Eke went to talk to Tolani and was begging her that he wants to run something tonight, and seeing that he might get evicted tomorrow, he wants to take this as a win for him, or a revenge game, or whatever he calls it. And that was, she should borrow him her key to her locker, because he wants to steal some coins or money point coins from some housemates. And I think it was 2 guys, or 1 guy and another lady. Now they had a conversation where Tolani said she doesn't want this to get back to her in any way. She's going to be pissed at him if it does. And he says that he's not scared of anybody right now, just her, and that he's begging, it's going to be silent when everybody has slept. He's going to do it and bring it to her own bed. And she said no, she didn't want that. What she would rather prefer is that he passes it to her hands in the morning as they first get to sight each other. And for the actual one you're waiting for, the kiss of tonight between Uriel and Neo, and I must say, girl, you're gunning for what you want. You're playing a game and you're telling yourself that you're not going to leave the show on time. So Uriel, after the night party, where she obviously was having a very deep moment with Kidwire, and then noticing that Kidwire left her to go be with Doyin and even kiss Doyin, it offended her that she just moved on from that, danced with Summer, and then when they were done with the party, she went with Neo. She pulled Neo to the garden around the pool party area, if I'm not mistaken, and she was having a conversation with him. And Ilebaye, who is really, really into Neo, came there, was asking them like, what were they talking about, or what were they doing? And she returned the bracelets that Neo gave her. She was pissed and she left. But when she left, of course, Uriel didn't really care. But then Uriel went on to get close to, Neo, pulling him close, and soon enough, they were kissing. Now, they kissed, he pulled back. I was like asking Uriel, what are you doing? I thought you were interested in someone else. I see the way you talk to Kidwire. I see the way you're intimate, or getting all cozy with Kid Wire. So what are you doing? And she was like, you know what? I don't want to even talk about this. It is you I like. I don't want Kid Wire. You know, he's my guy. We vibe. We just talk. And one reason why I don't like Kid Wire is because he's just like, he's everywhere with every lady. It's you I like, and I'm coming for you, except you really don't want to kiss me and stuff. And he's like, no, it's not like I don't want to kiss you. Then she was responding and, you know, like telling him that what is it? And soon enough, they were kissing again, and it ended there. And she was like, you know what? She's done. She's not going to even do this since he doesn't want to kiss her. No problem. She's just going to leave. And, you know, she was trying to walk away, and I'm like, okay, what is happening? This kiss was intentional from Uriel, and I hope maybe Neo would reciprocate soon, because if he doesn't, she would just move on. She would feel insulted and, you know, rejected and stuff. And finally, on this particular video is the fact that, you know what, Ike and Meecy Eke are seemingly getting back together one way or the other. So yesterday they had conversations, you know, random conversations that weren't so intense or deep, but that was, you know, the beginning of something beautiful, or the getting back together. The fact that each of them are even controlling themselves, being around each other, makes me laugh the more. So whilst Tolani and Ike were having the conversation and the plan on how he was going to go about stealing from other housemates and maybe implicating them and getting them maybe disqualified or getting a strike. And, you know, this was something I said, that he doesn't know that he might actually end up, you know, be putting himself into a hole or into a ditch that he's digging for others. We saw how, you know, Meecy Eke was looking for him all around, and then she was like, she needs to go into the room. Maybe he's with another girl, and voila, he was with Tolani, but not for the reasons that she thinks. And of course, they ended the conversation. Immediately, she ended. She was like, I've caught you. What are you guys even talking about? And stuff. And that was how she went and pulled him, saying and telling Tolani, leave him alone. And then she was warning him that, come on here, let's go and play a game. I don't want to see you around any other girl. If I see you around any other girl, I would pull you out as much as I can. And, you know, she went on to like just reveal to him that when I tell you to move, you move. When I tell you to talk, you talk. How I want you to move, that's how you do. And he was like confirming that, yes, you told me to move, I'm moving. But, you know, there was nothing. We were having a conversation there. So what is it? Why are you so obsessed and stuff? I'm like, the both of y'all know what you're doing, and I'm liking it, because ooh la la, it's giving. And like I said at the beginning of this video, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe. Click on the bell to miss out for notification on every post I make. Share, comments down below, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to watch my videos all to the end, because with that, I get to reveal to you all that happened. Tomorrow or later today is the eviction, so expect it to.